Have you ever realized that your brain have a lot of thoughts and most of them are unnecessary and you just want to get rid of them, but it feels like it is impossible to get out of your head? But is there any practical way to do it? And it has been almost 20 days that I started this concept called free writing. I was introduced to this concept by this guy named Captain Sinbad.
Free write for about 3 pages, 750 to 1,000 words, first thing in the morning.
And if you are 20 or 21 year old, then chances are you are writing from more than 10 years. But have you ever asked yourself a question, what is the purpose of writing? And I found this Jordan Peterson's clip and it fits really well.
The best way to teach people critical thinking is to teach them to write.
And the best time that I find to free write is in the morning. But personally I found that typing on computer is much easier than writing on paper. Even though if I just started writing for only 10 minutes, chances are I will get a lot more done in the computer rather than the paper. So it comes down to your own choice. No one is going to tell you you should do that or you should do this, but it comes to your own personal choice. The question is, what does it mean by free write? What we should do in it? And the simplest answer is, you do whatever you want. It can be your thought, it can be something you fear, it can be something you love. Whatever you can, take it to your own level. You can write 1 pages a day or you can write 5 pages a day. It should come to your own pace, and it is just you and the paper. There is no one that is going to judge you. As Anna Frank said, because the paper have more patience than the people. So it is just between you and the paper. You can write whatever you want, the things that you are insecure about. There is no one to judge you, okay? Writing all the things that you feel anxious about, that you feared, it will give you a sense of relief right after that. And whenever the Abraham Lincoln felt anger towards someone, instead of saying the thing that are in their head to someone that might hurt them, he did a certain thing. He go and write a letter to that person and he poured all of his anger in that paper, but he never sent that letter to anyone. Okay, so that is the one way that we can deal with our anger as well. Problem with guy like me is we tend to overthink a lot, and if I just write the thought that are in my head, what I will do is I am continuously writing the thing that I am overthinking about. If I write all the thing that makes me anxious, that I fear, then the chances are I am being conscious on it. And if I am conscious on it, then chances are I am not going to overthink that thought. Okay, so that is the one way that we can make ourselves stronger. Most of the time the thought you write is going to be useless, okay? But once in a while you will find some creative thought from that as well, some creative ideas on how you can improve your life or how you can be more productive. That is how you will get the benefit as well. And it is like mind is your flower and you are the gardener. You have to cut the unnecessary grass or weed that can harm the flower. The thoughts or negative thought are similar like that. It's like your mind is a flower and you are the gardener, and you have to cut all unnecessary grass or weed that can harm your flower. Same as the thought or negative thoughts are similar. If we don't cut them once in a while, they are going to grow and then take over our flower. It is crucial to cut them once in a while. And if you practice this thing for a long, then you will find out that you are continuously cutting the grass or cutting negative emotion, so that your brain have a lot of power or a lot of space to think about more better things, okay, that will make your life better.